Hello, this is Dmytro Kocheruk. I welcome you in S4GA Center of Excellence, where we are currently running installation training for one of our partners from South Africa.
Center of Excellence is a place that will prepare you and your crew to successfully pass your commissioning test after installation of S4GA equipment on your runway. Well, S4GA offers training divided in different levels of difficulty. We divide the trainings in different lines of products, and then we divide the products in different training modules. The customers can learn anything starting from operations of every piece of our equipment to the high-level troubleshooting and problem-solving during operation on site.
I have come to S4GA to have an in-depth training session in terms of learning all the different products and services in installing them in the first place, and secondly, to repair them if something goes wrong with them. The training is in depth. The instruction regarding the equipment and the training and repair is very in depth, and you learn a lot about the product. It is very beneficial.
The value behind it, in my opinion, is that we can, in very short time, prepare anyone to be able to efficiently and effectively use our equipment.
S4GA is a company that is on the cutting edge in terms of airport lighting. I would highly recommend companies to send their technical teams.